Hey, it's Mike from Zoomers, and here's the brand new 2023 Thor Omni KG32. I absolutely love the Omni motorhome. I've probably put between 30 and 40,000 miles on the Omni 32, 34, and the 36. This is on the F550 chassis, 6.7 power stroke, 4-wheel drive. We've taken these things elk hunting in Utah. We've fished out of them, pulled a bass boat, in and out of boat ramps, in and out of fuel stations, easily maneuverable, even with the boat on the back. This is my favorite motorhome to travel in. Let's check out the inside. There's nothing better to travel in with a big family than a Super C. We have 5 kids from 16 to 16 months. This thing has room for everybody. Has a double theater seats here on the left side. The kids, they play up here in this big massive queen size bed. They play up here and sleep up here. The cockpit, tons of room. The creature comforts of any F450, F550 pickup truck. Handles just the same. Has electric brake controller, and again, 4-wheel drive. Dinette booth makes into a bed. Kids can hang out, play their PlayStation right here on the big screen TV. On the left side is the kitchen. Solid surface stone countertops. Absolutely the best. Double door refrigerator with ice maker. Has the induction top and the gas burners and the convection microwave. All the controls are right here. This is the master control. On the home screen, you can check everything, all the levels, change all the lighting, checks your battery levels, generator start and stop. Auto generator start is incredible. You just turn that on, and then when the batteries get so low or the temperature changes enough where the air conditioners need to kick on, then your generator will turn on, so it doesn't run like 24/7. The lighting, you can change every bit of lighting. You can adjust the lighting up or down, set the mood if you want it super bright or just a little bit just dim and just a little bit light. Dual air conditioners in the roof. There's a slide out and awning control, and then the settings you can change anything you want to, and you can run it, some of the settings off of your phone. In the big bathroom, foot flush stool, cabinet, sink, medicine cabinet, and a big corner glass shower. On-demand hot water heater, forgot to mention that. Let's walk back here in the bedroom. Has a walk around queen size bed. You got chargers on both sides for your cell phone. Plenty of cabinet storage up there. Big closet. Tons of storage. Rear emergency exit window here in the bedroom. Has the white padded panel ceiling all the way through. All vinyl flooring, easy to keep clean. The carpet won't get matted. And no carpet to get matted, just sweep it right out the door. Check this thing out on our website. We normally stock 3 models, the 32, the 34, and the 36. They're all great. Just this one is a 32. It's super easy to maneuver and drive, not real long. Check them out on our website, zoomersrv.com.